cinnamon tree it is. Cinnamon. So cinnamon is just a bark of a trunk. So the bark, before the removal, we need to clear all that white patches with it first. So the white patches are the algae, fungus, those are. But all the trees you can find them off. The algae are there in all the trees. So this is the fresh air sign it is. It's a natural sign with the trees. Where the good humidity is there, fresh air is there, algae are common. And cinnamons are deep in layer pieces, we need to take them off. And after making it as a pieces, we using of machines, we make it rolls. So the rolled cinnamons that what you get in a market, that having a more good oil with it, and also the strong flavor, and also the good benefit you can gain with it. So the cinnamon can be used as a medicine. These things are used for a shading purpose. So this having a fastest growth and a lengthier it can become, and good shade providers these are. And next to it, that is a jackfruit that is a common in all the sites. Okay. And popular plants are used to make a papers as well. Paper, matchstick, toothpicks preparation. The popular plants can be used. And cinnamon 40 to 45 years it having a good life. After that also it will be alive, but the bark we can't extract from it. It will be an older one, it doesn't produce a bark with it. Okay, so the with oil means that will be a good beneficial one, but it's getting happening with it. So the next month, so the flowering time, the Indian blooming time from a March to the June, that all the fruit trees or all the plant will do the flowering, and after that only the growth of a fruit everything it starts. Okay. And but coffee with some plants we have a leaf on it. You can see the common. This figs will grow in a trunk of it, even with the branches it grows. And here using of the fruit we make a wine here. Fruit wine. From all the fruits we are making a wine itself. 20% we are using it to make a dry fruit and 80% for a wine making only. So this is not a time for it right now. Fig wine itself. Fig wine. And in the end of the two, the wine tasting also is there. Plenty of flavors of wine is there. You can try them out. Okay. In a tree that is there. And climbers will give a production like a 5+ kgs at least it gives. But a climber need to be climbed upon a tree. So once the green color becomes red in color, that's a final stage. Then we'll collect them all. And after drying in a sunlight, that complete color of it that becomes black. So that monsoon. August is a flowering, October is a harvesting time. And cardamom grows near to the ground. So between the plant and the root, the shoot grows, and in that shoot the production happens. So the plants are completely a non-productive and non-edible leaves these are. So we can't eat it. No flavor, nothing will be there with it. We can make it trim off and it can be used as a fertilizers. So the shoot does a production height it is, otherwise it can become 10 feet taller at least. But in a 3 or 4 feet we need to maintain it. So the coffee of Arabica is from Yemen region. So it need a good sunlight. So here we are growing it very less. That because here the bigger lengthier trees are there, the good shade is getting provided for the coffee plant. Nescafe, the instant, what all the instant coffees are there, that is all are made of Arabica. Otherwise in a cafes, they'll use the selected fruit of it. So in a 1 kg, nearly 200 grams of a fruit will be a selected one. And that because commonly there one fruit having a 2 seeds inside of it. So which fruit having a single seed, that is a selected one. So the cafes and all, otherwise the brands and all, they will choose the single seeded one. So that's the reason in cafes and all, that coffee cost will be a very expensive, because that 20% availability crop only they are taking. So for the brand wise what we are getting for in our markets and all, that is all a double seeded one only. So the single seeded one will get to see in advertisements. So for the coffee, without a coffee sometimes you'll start showering, and also the headache problem starts, and also the coffee will raise your blood pressure, and also the anxiety problem starts, and unsleep 1 or 2 times in a day, that's good. So the coffee, you know that it's a refreshmental drink. So by the way, if you are seeing that will be a very good for tasted coffee it is. So that coffee specially it is getting used in our southern regions as a filter coffee. Otherwise like an espressos, French press, machine made coffees what all is there. By the pressing what you are preparing, that is all from Robusta. So the Robusta is a lessly used, 30% only people were using it, but the perfect refreshmental drink it is. Because of a high caffeine, in a 2 cups of a coffee consumption, you will get the proper caffeine for your health, and you will get a good refreshment also. And a coffee, the actual coffee milk, that will be so bittery, and the proper caffeine you will get for your health, and you will get a proper refreshment. So in India, we love to drink a coffee with the milk itself, and also the thickness it's required for it. So the thickness that chicory gives. So that's the reason in India, the chicory mixed coffee we get it. Because Robusta need a good shade. So it is already there here. So the wild trees were naturally grown here. So the shady area it is, and humidity area. The Robusta is good to grow here. You can keep your hands there, it won't bite. But if the ant house was disturbed, that becomes very aggressive, they started to bite. And that's the biggest problem here. So with the coffee plants also, that ants will make a house of it. And on top of your head, the wild cotton is there. So that I told you, right? The ant house. That is there here.
Ant house.
This is the ant house. If this ant house was disturbed, that ant will become very aggressive. And using of the red ants, that chutney also is getting made. So rich in proteins these are. And here the tribe is that the Kodava tribe, they love to eat it. They'll eat them also. Okay. And the main problem for the harvesters, this is the main biggest problem here, that ant houses. Otherwise, in a monsoon time, the falling of trees. Because of a good humidity, the termites, if you had sprayed a chemical pesticides also, it will come again. So from the termites, you can't get rid of it. So that's the reason the tree falls off, because here the common rain will be a 170 inches. And it can reach the 210 inches also. So that's a heavy. The common chili in southern India. And this chili will very spicy in flavor. And from this also the wine can be made of.
Wow.
Chili wine. Third variety of coffee, a Liberian coffee it is, a smoky flavored coffee. So it is completely different flavored one. So the coffee of Robusta having the strongest caffeine. More than that, the Liberica have. So the highly caffeinated one, but not used in India. But in cafe, sure you will get that. A flavor of a Liberica coffee, you will get them. But like while drinking, that burning wood, how it smells, similar smell it will be there. So that's the reason people consider it as a smoky flavor. Liberica, Arabica and Robusta. So the white sandal is commonly there in India. In all the side, people were growing it. But the major plantation and the production, it is there from Mysore. So the Karnataka is doing the largest production of sandal also. So white sandal is legal to grow, but for the cutting you need to take a permission. Without a permission you can't make it cut. It can't be sold in a private. Means without a license it can't be sold. And sandal grows a little berries with it. So the birds will love to eat it. By the bird immigration in your yards and all, if the sandal tree was grown, the tree belongs to the government. So if you wanted to plant, you have to buy the plants or the saplings from the government. Yes, it need a nutrition from other trees too. It need a healthy host. So that's the reason the people were not doing private plantations of it. Under the government only the plantation is there. And after the 20 years, people will make a drill on it to identify it as matured or not. And by the drilling, the good smell of the sandal that you can get. And sandal means a complete tree is not a sandal. Only the hard part of the tree, that will be a sandal. The good quality of a sandal, it will be there. So the bark part, branches are getting used to make idols. So the show pieces what you get, that is from the branches and the bark. So the hard part is getting sold in a grams. By the gram you have to buy. For the gram at least I think 28 or 30 rupees is there right now. So in only in government emporiums you will get that. And sandal, until you damage it, it won't give any smell. So if the sandal is smelling good by the direct smelling it, that will be a perfume. So you need to rub it with a stone, otherwise while cutting only you will get the smell of it. So this sandal is getting used in a temples, Ayurvedics, and also in your houses also it will be there. For the tilak applying it is getting used. And sandal having a very good cooling property with it, that's the reason the snakes get attracted to it. And because of the cooling property of it, in Ayurvedic therapies and all, in a time of high fever, they'll apply the sandal paste for your head, for the body and all, they'll apply it to control the body temperature. And also it having antibacterial properties with it. So that's the reason the soaps are made of from it, and also the skin products from. And it's known for the aroma of it.
Arabica berries.
While roasting, we'll do a variant for it. Means mild, medium, strong roasting we'll do here. Same temperature, but the timing will be different. So if it is 30 minutes of roasting is done, the color will be like light brown. So the light brown colored coffee that looks like this. So you can compare the color of these both. So it is lighter and little bit darker it is. So this is the mild roasted and it will gives a very good aroma with it. So this coffee is commonly used in all around the. This is the byproduct actually. So in roasted form also, the roasted bean also it's a byproduct, and also after the powdering you can buy them. Roast the coffee, the caffeine becomes less. So that's the reason the people will say is that the black coffee consumption more healthier than the milk. Because the black coffee is double roasted one, it will be having less caffeine with it. But the strongest flavor of bitteriness it has. So the bitteriness, for that you can't do anything, the more sugar only you have to have.
Blended coffee, दोनों mix है, Arabica and Robusta.
Coffee ले लो सर कॉफी पी लेना कॉफी पी
The product for the white